All right, guys, welcome back to another video with shaded content brought to you by Flash Custom Transfers. And what are we doing today?
We are making me a shirt so we can make a cup.
Oh,
and then mail it out.
Oh, you're gonna mail it? Mm-hmm. You're gonna mail your shirt to yourself?
No, I'm gonna mail the cup out. I'm making a shirt for the video, and then I'm gonna mail a cup out.
Just for the holidays.
Oh yeah, that's right. I forgot about that. Okay, go ahead. And we do it on 12. Whoa, Lulu. Let go. You gotta push it all the way down. A lot of pressure. 312 degrees, 12 seconds. And remember, we gotta let it cool. So hold on, let me lift it up. Watch out. All right. I grabbed something to fan it. No. Why are you moving it? No, it's not ready to be moved.
I thought you had to go like this.
No. Yeah, I don't want the address to be on there. Yeah, fan it like that. There you go. Yeah, you want to get it nice and cool. What y'all been doing while I've been gone?
Working. She cleaned her room. I'm washing all her blankets. I started the chicken.
We got one. That's our job.
What? Whose birthday is it today? We want to say a happy...
Marion! Happy birthday, Marion. We appreciate you. Thank you for being such a wonderful part of this team and bringing so much value. We appreciate you. I am working for Marion today. We gave her the day off because we just appreciate her and want her to enjoy her birthday. So tomorrow's my birthday and I'm gonna be doing the same thing, Marion.
Okay, so we're going to go ahead and peel it.
We're gonna go ahead and peel. Oh, before we do this, so let's go ahead and do your introduction. So you are...
a social media manager.
The what?
The social media manager.
Oh, okay, yes, we hired Alora to be our social media manager. So if you notice a lot of activity,
Tiny hands.
no, if you notice a lot of activity on our TikTok and on our Instagram, that is because of this little girl right here. She has been going crazy with filming a lot of things for our other social medias like TikTok and Instagram, and actually a lot of YouTube shorts. So once I make those public, you guys will see a lot of those, and those are from Alora Ali. So let's go ahead and peel it. See, even a kid can do it. Look at that. Yep. See, and it came up just a little bit, and that's fine. That's what the second press is for. Again, remember, she didn't have all the full pressure when she first did it, so. Now we're gonna do 6 seconds, but I'll help you press it because that pressure's the most. The pressure is the most thing that you need. Okay, now you can take it off. All right, you wanna do a cut?
Cut. Time out.
No, you wanna like throw it on you or something?
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Ready? Hold up, hold it up. There you go, now throw it on you.
Whew. And that is called TikTok Magic.
Oh.
Here's the cup that we're going to be putting the sticker on, and I'm going to show y'all a few things that the stickers do. So.
Oh, hold on, let's get you a good thumbnail.
Okay guys, so we're just doing a few little thumbnails, and now we're going to go ahead and put the sticker on here.
Do you need to place it? Is there anywhere you need
I'm going to place it like right here.
Right there? Okay. Your ear hurts.
Guys, check out the TikTok that we're going to do after this video.
Yeah, tell them about the TikTok and tell them where to find everything.
So on Flash Custom Designs, you'll see a lot of
Flash Custom Transfers.
Flash Custom Transfers. You'll see a lot of like transfers, and like I would be showing like lots of transfers. And then on Straight Outta Content, there's TikTok. Half of it is transfers, but there are other things like stress test.
Yes.
And there are funny videos.
Yes.
And yeah.
Of the product, guys, and remember we have stickers outside of our transfers, guys. And this is I think this is the shirt that we beat up in the video really bad. And as you can tell, the shirt is beat up, but the transfer The transfer is in mint condition. You can see this shirt has been through a lot, but the transfer is still intact. And as you guys can see with our stickers, this is called our die cut sticker. Oh, it's my alarm. Get my haircut. I gotta get my haircut. But as you guys can see, even a child can do this, but she's having a little trouble. But it's
like
very
flopping everywhere.
Yeah, it feels like it's gonna rip, but it's very strong. This vinyl this printable vinyl that we use for our stickers is extremely strong. So she already has it out. Oh, what's that little piece right there? And now she's about to put it on there. Ooh! Oh, you gotta get that little piece up top over there above the H shape. Ooh!
Oh, that looks good on that pink.
I know, on that pink. And you can lift it off, and yep. You got that little piece off, can you peel that off? Maybe I'll take a razor and cut it off. Yeah, I don't think that's a good idea. It's okay. If you want to. If you can.
Where's she going?
I don't know. Yep, and it may feel like that you're gonna rip it, but yep, you just gotta smooth it out. And remember, this is bubble release, so it's air release, so you can really see how she's able to push it, release all that air that's behind there. Look at that. See? She's able to use her thumb. Look at that. She's able to really push it out of there because it wants to release the air. Now, again, this is a 9-year-old, so all you professional tumbler makers, you guys are really gonna know how to do this and get it on there perfect. But we're also gonna do, what kind of tests are we gonna do with this?
We're gonna do a water test because the water test is something that, like, when they first showed me their stickers, I was like, they can go underwater? It's hard to get this bubble right here.
Yeah, you might have to just adjust it a little bit. What happened here?
I don't know, I saw that and I was like, what happened?
Oh, that's a piece of food or something that got on the sticker.
Ew.
Yeah, it's a piece of like food or something.
That's okay.
Something got on the sticker. Again, guys, we've had these stickers. Oh yeah, it's like gunk. Ugh, it's like old candy. Where was this sticker? Ew.
It's literally right there.
It's like black gum, gum when you touch it.
And this is what we're giving out?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh, I can take it off.
You get to scrape it off?
Yeah, look.
Oh, maybe you go. Oh, look at that. Look how you see. Look how strong it is. She's using her nail. Look, it just comes right off. Yep. So again. Oh yeah, look at that. Turn it so I can get it right there. Oh, look at that, guys. Oh, get that little air bubble right there.
Dude.
Get the little air bubble right there. Look at that. That looks good. And again, guys, this is a 9-year-old Nana. Hopefully you're happy. You don't think that we jacked up your cup. We tried to make it, you know what I mean, the best possible that we could. This awesome Flash Custom Transfer cup. Look, ooh, it matches your shirt. Ooh.
Let's go do the water test.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, guys, so right now we're gonna be doing the water test in our sink. So if you are washing, you can definitely wash this cup because the sticker is waterproof. I may turn this down just a little bit so it's not spraying everywhere.
Not coming off, right?
No.
It's on there, right?
And guys, I'm going, you might think because like I'm scratching it, my hands are slippery. That's why it's not coming off, but it's seriously not coming off.
Yeah, we got some other cups too that we've done in other videos, and it just shows like how they're still on there. These things are meant for like your glass or your car. If you want to put one on your car, they're meant to stay on there forever.
And guys, you can do your own design, and that's the best part about it.
Right? So you can do your own design, your own logo, and die cut it like this. Or you can do circle stickers, like, cause you wanna do them for your slime business. So you wanna do like circle stickers for your slime business. And you can do square cut and rectangle cut. You can do a lot of different shapes and sizes. So,
Okay.
oh, you got more?
No, I'm gonna wipe off my hands to show y'all that it's not my hands being slippery. That's like not letting it come off.
Yep. Yep, it's on there.
Normal stickers, if you put them underwater, they'll start like the top of them will start turning into like gunk, like when you scrape it. This one doesn't do that.
No, not at all. And it looks really good in that cup. That logo, guys, tell us if you, in the comments down below, let us know if we got one of the best logos in the game. I think Flash Custom Transfer's logo is probably the best logo in the game. Again, Shelly, she created all of our logos. So let's go ahead, let's go outside and let's get some pretty shots.
Yes. This is the finished product, and we did the water test and we did everything, and that means that it is secure and it's on, and it is ready to be sent to Nana, so hopefully she likes it. So we're gonna go ahead and package it up to go ahead and bring it to the shipping, and then we're gonna send it to her.
All right, guys, and where can they get all their Flash Custom stickers and Flash Custom transfers? Where can they get everything?
FlashCustomTransfers.com.
There you go, guys, order it now today.
For only $19.99.
The stickers are priced different, and they do have a minimum of 50 for the stickers. But go on over there, guys. Check them out. We got them in 2x2, 3x3, 4x4, and 5x5, and we can do bigger, but that's for custom orders. So just email us if you have any questions.